We at Mr. Money Press consider it an honor to have you as a member. With each video we release, you can anticipate learning fresh advice regarding the most recent reviews and techniques for making money online. Here, we regularly research the best performers from around the world. These span a wide range of topics such as technology, investment, stocks, Bitcoin, and many more. In this video, we will discuss 4 legitimate ways to make money online. Hello everyone. We're back. We're sure you've seen a lot of videos about making money online, but none of them are true. That is why we are here. We'll show you how to make money online once more. This is not a scam. This is actually effective. We know that many of us are struggling during this pandemic. Many of us are looking for new ways to make money in order to survive another day. Many of us have quit our jobs because we are afraid of contracting this contagious virus. We'd like to assist you right now. Let us assist and support one another. So, if you're looking for ways to make money online, keep watching this video. Now, our first way is YouTube. This platform is extremely saturated, and you may believe it is too late to start a channel now, but the truth is that monetizing a channel is actually easier now than it was before. You can get fewer views while still making a lot more money. 4 years ago, it was much more difficult to make money with fewer views. If you have a video with 337,000 views, you will only get $500, which is not even $2 RPM. For example, you may have a video with 337,000 views and it made nearly $3,000, which is a lot more for a similar number of views. It used to be that only those with 1 million subscribers could make a living out of it. I mean, you could have $200 or $300,000 and make a living off of it just like CPMs and RPMs do. All you have to do now is create searchable videos at the start. You simply must create searchable videos, otherwise, no one will be able to find your content. You can't just start making vlogs or doing anything you know about. You don't even have to be an expert to record yourself. It's all about the title and thumbnail, and how you make people want to watch your videos. There are so many different types of channels and people who make money on YouTube. You can create any channel and content you can think of, such as drawing channels, knitting channels, and other outlandish channels. To get a lot of views, create how to cook bread, how to draw a face, how to fix a kitchen sink or any other type of content. Making and editing videos on YouTube is our favorite way to earn money because it is a lot of fun. It is, however, a lot of work, and not everyone wants to shoot, edit, or be on camera, so it is not for everyone. There's never been a better time to try it if you've ever wanted to. Writing blog scripts is probably easier, but it's not as much fun as making videos. The second way is blogging, which many people consider. If you have a personal blog that lacks a clear niche or direction, it will not be profitable. There are a couple of ways to make 6 figures a year by blogging. So, the real way to make money blogging is to specialize in a specific niche, such as food blogging, fashion blogging, or even blogging about blogging. I've seen people do extremely well by driving traffic from places like Pinterest and then monetizing it with methods other than Google AdSense. If you can get 500,000 views per month on a niche blog, you could make $5,000 to $10,000 per month. There are bloggers who make much more than this, so while blogging may sound outdated, we would recommend it if you have an interest in cooking or fashion. Another way to earn money is to blog on medium.com. It is fascinating to see how you could make money here. It's more like thought pieces, so you can write whatever you want. It doesn't even have to be searchable. The key to making money on Medium is to submit your articles to publications in order for them to receive more views on Medium. You don't need a lot of views to make a lot of money. For example, suppose you had an article that received 12,000 views and earned $339. That's a much better rate than you'd find on YouTube. You won't get any views if you don't submit to publications, so you really need to write some articles. There are people here who make a living full-time by writing articles but aren't YouTubers or have a large following. Medium is something you could do for fun. It doesn't take long to write these articles. You can make a lot of money from it, but if you take it seriously, you can make even more. The third way is to use Fiverr, which allows you to post and offer your services to clients. The key here is to find something with which you are extremely fast and efficient in and to capitalize on that. This one is definitely not for everyone. Fiverr is probably more of a side hustle in the sense that you can make some money and do it from home. Assume you have graphic design skills, These types of services can be profitable on Fiverr. This one isn't the best unless you have a skill that you're really good at, such as video editing, graphic design, writing, or voice acting. It's difficult to make a full-time living on Fiverr, but people do it. Fiverr is ideal for getting started quickly, whereas other methods of earning money can take months or years to produce any money. When you need to start a project quickly, Fiverr is a great platform to use. This is beneficial to anyone who wishes to earn money while doing what they enjoy. Finally, the fourth way is e-commerce, which involves purchasing a product in bulk and then selling it for a retail price online. Many people also use a fulfillment service to avoid having to store, pack, and ship their products. Once it's up and running, it can be fairly passive, and if you find a hit product, there's a lot of room to scale it. There is no upper limit to how much you can earn. It's the fundamental business model of any direct-to-consumer product. So, most people find a product on Alibaba.com, which is the go-to website that everyone uses. They basically make a directory of every manufacturer. You can see the pricing, you can ask for customizations, you can really create a whole e-commerce business. You can actually do it all online, and there's still, of course, work involved. There are a lot of things you have to figure out, but Alibaba.com actually offers services like trade assurance and delivery duty paid service to protect your order and to make shipping. However, this method is very similar to starting your own business. You don't have to invest tens of thousands of dollars to get started. If you want, you can start small. Starting your own brand has never been easier. There is still much for you to learn. It's not a walk in the park, but it's a million times easier than it was. Many manufacturers also have a low minimum order quantity, so you don't have to order tens of thousands of units. If you want, you can start small and work your way up. You can also find manufacturers who can completely customize the product design and make changes to it. You could potentially make a lot of money if you're good at marketing. There's a lot more to learn, but there's also a lot of information on the internet about how to do it. Remember, except for Fiverr, all of these methods can take months or years to get started. So there will be times when it appears that it isn't working properly, so you must persevere. It's important to remember that it can take time, which is completely normal. So, just do your best, put in extra effort, and practice patience. All of your efforts will eventually pay off. That's all for today. Do you know of a way to make money other than the four that we mentioned? Tell us in the comments section, and if you loved this video, kindly hit the like, subscribe, and the bell to get notifications on new videos when they are posted. Until next time,